I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back.
You got me singing la di da da da. Love it when you get it going, don't stop. You put it down and I light it up. That's just the way that we rock. You got me singing la di
So the hair that I have on is from iseehair off of Instagram. I don't actually know how I found them. I think I saw one video on YouTube. I think I've seen. Okay, how I found him. I saw one video of some girl. She had like a body wave. I think it was either a wig or she had bundles. And I was like, oh my god, that's cute. And then I went to their page and then I checked out their wigs. And I was like, okay, this is pretty cute. And I've seen the reviews and people done reviews on them. So I was like, why not get a wig? I mean, you've been looking for a wig. You might as well get one that's not that expensive. And, just try it out and see how it works. So I bought it. So basically this is what the hair came in, and you guys know that I love packaging. Like, I love when hair comes in nice cute packaging from a company. Like, I hate it when it comes in like a regular bag and that's it. Like, that's like, no, if I paid this money, you to make sure you give me the whole package. Okay, so as you go into the box, this is what is inside. They had put a wig cap in there, and it's, I guess, brown or whatever. I actually didn't use this. I probably will use this maybe later on, I don't know, for something else, but I haven't used it. And then the hair also came in this big plastic bag right here, and it has a label of the wig that you purchased and the length and the date of the product. And then after that, they also have their little booklet for iseehair, which I think is really cute. Look at that, it's so cute. She's so pretty on that. And then on the inside is showing you hair tips, brushing, washing, air drying, and other stuff. And then it shows their you can earn back points by sharing a video or anything on pictures or Facebook or anything like that. You can earn back points with they tell you how to be able to do that in the little pamphlet. And then on the back is their website, their emails, their Instagram, their YouTube, their Snapchat. Dang, they got everything. So everything to contact them and to find them is on the back of the little pamphlet, which is like this. So cute. I like that. And then they also had put in these 3D mink lashes. I actually haven't opened them to see what they look like, but they seem pretty cute to me. I've never actually worn mink 3D lashes before, so I don't know how these would turn out. But the packaging is cute, and it's, some lashes, so that's cute or whatever. And then that's pretty much it that came in the box. That was it. So the hair that I actually have on is water wave Brazilian, 22 inches. I think it goes up to 8 to 22. I wanted something a little bit longer because usually when I get curly hair, I get something like 18 or 20. I've never actually gotten 22 or 24 or 28. I wanted something to look very long on me, very big, very natural. So I decided to get a longer length than I usually would get, and this right here is a 22 on me, and it goes to kind of like, I guess, to my boobies. Goes to my boobies, and that's pretty much it. What else? I will list in probably on the screen somewhere up here the price and the price of the hair and how much I paid for it and so forth up right here, and I'll put everything in the description box below so you guys can check them out just in case you want to buy yourself a wig too, because honey, who got time to be doing their hair every day? Because I don't have that time no more. I don't have it. Like, I just don't. I don't have it no more. So yeah, like, so far this hair is really, really gorgeous. Like, I love this hair, and I haven't worn curly hair in a minute, so I really wanted some cute water wave texture type of hair, and I love it so far. Like, I honestly love this hair so much. When I got it, in the day that I got it, it actually took 3 days. Like, I'm being I'm being honest. It took 3 days, y'all. For real, it took 3 days. Like, I don't understand how it went that fast, but it went that fast. Like, it went fast. I was so happy because usually when I do order hair, it kind of takes, I think, 4 to 5 days. So 3 days, that's the fastest I've actually received some hair. That's points right there from me. I like that. 3 days, that's some points right there. When I got the hair, it was wrapped in a little net or whatever, and the hair was really puffy. This hair does get puffy. So right now you can see that it is wet. All I did was just spray it with some water and some conditioner, and I'm actually trying to find something that I can put in this hair to keep it looking kind of like this, but not like crunchy. I tried to use foam, but even then the hair still kind of dries up and then it gets like super big. But I mean, I don't complain. Like, I still like that. I think that's still really cute. But I do like the wet effects on me. I think it looks kind of better than the whole puffy part. But overall, the hair is really nice. Any shedding that I've actually experienced was when I had to pluck the frontal. Oh, that's also one I wanted to talk about. When I got the hair was not pre-plucked. It was not pre-plucked. I actually, like, when I said when it took me about a week to pluck this hair, that's how long it really took me to do it, because like I said, this is my first frontal. So coming from me, I don't know how to pluck a frontal. So, you know, ordering this wig, I'm expecting it to be kind of like, you know, pre-plucked or at least a little bit plucked, so I don't have to do so much plucking. But I had to do like a lot of plucking to really make it look natural, whatever. For this part, I actually did not pluck anything. I kind of just it was already kind of plucked in the middle, so all I really had to do was like put like some foundation or some concealer to really, like, you know, I guess blend it in with my scalp. Also, the frontal did come bleached, so that's something you don't have to worry about. So excuse me, the frontal did come bleached, which was good, because I was not trying to bleach and pluck the frontal. Like, I wasn't trying to do that, like, for real. I wasn't trying to do that. The reason why I did not film this video when I installed it, because one, like I said, this is my first time having a wig, so I wanted to really just focus on the wig instead of actually trying to show other people how to do it, because one, I don't know how to do it, so I'm not going to put anything out that I don't know how to do first. I think if I do reinstall this wig, then that's when I'll actually upload a video of me installing it. But other than that, yeah, I did not film anything. I didn't film any plucking, because like I said, it's my first time, so, you know, I'm not going to put nothing out when it's my first time. Like, I'm not going to do that, no. I got to make sure it's good before I can put anything out. So that's why I didn't do that. But yeah, this hair is really gorgeous. As you can see, this hair dries like really quick. Like, towards the front of the hair, it's kind of like a puffy curly, and then the back is really a water wave in the back. Yeah, the back is more of a water wave. The front is more kind of a puffy, and I literally have to keep putting water in it to keep it like this. Because it dries so quickly. It's almost like the hair kind of drinks up the water like really quick, so I have to re-put water in it. But overall, I really do like this milk. Like I said, I actually really do like this hair. I've only had it in for a couple of days. I will be doing a final review probably in I guess a month or so. Yeah, I'll probably do it in a month or so, because I need to really like try this hair out before I put it out and say, you know, it's really good. But I mean, for right now, it actually really is really good. I haven't actually experienced that much shedding, only when I like brush it with a brush. With a brush, that's when I have like shedding, but it's not like a lot of shedding. It's you know, it's regular, you know, regular shedding. It's not like too much where it's like, oh my god, this is a lot. It's not like that. But like I said, this hair is very gorgeous. Like, I'm loving it. Let me know in the comments down below if I should do a video of like maintaining this hair, so I can show you guys how I get it to be like this wet effect, and what products I'm using to be able to have it look like this. So let me know about that in the comments down below. Like I said, I will put everything about the hair in the description box below, so make sure you check that out if you want to have this hair that I have on. And thank you so much for clicking on this video, and just continue to stick with me. I will see you guys in my next video.